Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, you learn about the application of the Part Design Additive Primitive tools like a Prism and Wedge. You also learn the steps and the several ways to invoke these tools. This is the additive primitive called Prism. To create the primitive prism, please insert a primitive prism in the active body as the first feature or fuses it to the existing feature. The next additive primitive is Wedge. To create the primitive wedge, similar to additive prism, insert a primitive wedge in the active body as the first feature or fuses it to the existing feature. Here you find the several ways to invoke these additive tools and the steps to create additive primitives. The first option to invoke the tools is clicking on the down arrow besides the visible icon and selecting the additive tool. The second option is from Part Design menu. Here, you find the parameters of the additive prism. These parameters are polygon, circumradius, height, first angle, and second angle. You can then adjust or manipulate the dimensions and position using the property editor or by entering values in the location menu. Create new body. You can create at the origin or add these primitives in many positions. The prism appears automatically at the origin 0. Prism at origin 0. Now you can change the parameters according to the requirement. You can also change the angle of the prism. Insert Prism on Surface. Select the surface. Change the size and position it. Insert Prism on inclined plane. As usual, the prism appears automatically at the origin 0. We need to change the size and reposition it. Select the inclined plane or surface. Inserting plane with 3 points. Select the 3 points step by step. Invert the direction. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the video. The next additive primitive is wedge. When creating an additive primitives, the primitive parameters dialog offers several parameters specifying how the feature should be and also its location. Here you find the additive wedge parameters at the base and at the top. Similar to Additive Prism, here you can change the location, the direction, as well as the parameters. Insert the additive wedge. The edge of the base face is positioned at the origin 0. The height of the wedge. You can change the shape of the wedge by changing the value of the coordinates. Now, I will show you how to create a pyramid by changing the parameters. Follow the next another example to understand the application of additive wedge. Create a fillet. Create a shell with thickness of 1 millimeter. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD Part Design and Sketcher tools. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.